All right. Hey guys, crude oil, Monday, December 26th, 2022. This is my own personal video trade journal. So at the moment, I am flat. What I'm looking at is this incredibly obvious negative divergence. It made a higher high on the 4 hour chart right into resistance. It was 2 pennies short of this level. And last week, if you've been following me, I've been saying if it gets above 77.77, I think the odds are very good. You're going to see 80.35. Well, it missed it by 2 pennies. I did trade that. So I'm flat, and this negative divergence is classic. Higher high. RSI does not support that. Comes back down. This volume tool is showing you a sell signal, although this volume tool does get a little noisy when price is trying to decide. See how it's noisy here? See how it's noisy here? It's kind of noisy over here before it finally got stuck on sell. Here it flipped twice in a row, boing boing, and now it's saying sell. And then this tool, which is a price trend, a price volume trend oscillator, has also created a sell signal on Friday. So you've got this is a sell. Where it's at in my view, where it's at on these levels supports the idea that it could be a sell, but the negative divergence is really telling you, yeah, this is a sell on the 4 hour. And the same signals exist on the 1 hour. Same exact signal on the 1 hour. Lower, look, positive divergence made a higher high, lower high. Same tool, different time frame, created a sell signal at the top of this peak, and it created a sell signal at the top of this peak. And when this tool agrees with the RSI in terms of divergences, compelling. I'm just flat. So here's the ideal thing that happens. Now, this is just me talking because it's my video journal. I'm wrong all the time. And if you're trying to just take trades off of me, God help you. Okay, I'm just sharing this because some guys like it, and I like the back and forth, and some members I know are watching this, and we talk about it through DMs and stuff like that. So I'm happy to share. What I'm looking for, what would make me happy, is if this comes down, burns off that negative divergence, and then catches support somewhere down here, and then gets a nice reaction, something bullish, comes down right into, ideally it comes down, doesn't even get to 77.77, and that negative divergence is just too many buyers. It's a commodity. Screw your negative divergence. People need oil. If there's enough buyers are buying it, when it comes down, it can just burn off that negative divergence quickly. And with any luck, I can start layering into some longs down here. If it spikes or comes down below here, it just depends on what the candles are doing. It just depends what the technicals are doing. But ideally, this comes down, just call it mid 77s. Catches support, and maybe it catches support higher than that. Maybe it catches support lower. I really don't want to see a new low, but because I want to be long. Just to be clear, I want to be long, and I will flip short if my dream of being long gets crushed in here, and something else is playing out. I will look to be short, but at the moment I'm looking to be long. So 77.03 is the low. So I don't even want to see below 77.03. Ideally, boom, comes down, and guess what? There's a fib up here. If this is a 1-2, it projects for a wave 3 to get you all the way up to 85. Now that's, what is that, linear. But log is a little bit higher, 86.86. I kind of like log because this is 77.77, which was that peak right there. And then this is 86.86. I don't know, I kind of like that when numbers do that. It means nothing. Just a personal thing. So with any luck, this comes down, catches support, and makes it back above this resistance. Here's the thing, though. If this is an AB, which is entirely possible, and this is wave C, well, that projects and just gets you up to here, call it 82, whatever, below 83, let's say, or maybe pokes above it, whatever, just this general area, and then it gives you an impulse, like if this really rolls up here, I will be shorting on the bounce. And the same levels, I love these levels, man, because they've just been playing out all year long. So if you're a bear, I think this level plays out on the retrace. If you're a bull, I think this level gets a back test if it really makes it all the way up here. So I just like watching this level. The thing I don't like is a 4 hour negative divergence, plain as day. which to me would suggest this has the potential to really come down much lower, which kind of makes this a really weird, ugly structure. But you know what? This at this degree, at this scale, it's really silly to even be. I think. I mean, I count it anyway because I'm silly apparently. There's a reason the professionals are only showing you the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. You know, they're showing you the higher degree stuff because that's where it's much more reliable. And even then, how reliable is Crude lately? All these overlapping, just it's a crap show. It's so ugly in general. So, but anyway, there's a bullish potential here. There's also potential for it to be done really soon and just including already. Maybe that was it. Maybe you had one more week, and who's to say that this isn't ABC and you're done? And with that negative divergence on there on the 4 hour, sure does seem like that could be possible, but I would either prefer this scenario coming up to almost 83 before it craps out, or my ideal scenario is it doesn't come as deep and burns off that divergence, and I'm able to buy in somewhere down here in the low 78s, and then get long, and then it runs all the way up to here, and I'll be peeling them off up here. But I'm flat right now, and I'm not going long here, that's for sure. Not with that divergence. So that's what I got. All right. Good luck, guys. See ya.